Hey, everyone! Today, I'm showing you how to make a quick and beautiful front page using just brush pens. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials and DIY ideas. This front page idea can be used for your notes, journal, or any project. Let's start by sketching an outline of our title. Now, with your brush pen, go over the title. Remember, light pressure on the upstrokes and firm pressure on the downstrokes. Now let's add some touches to our title by going it over with a black fineliner and creating 3D effects. To finish up, I'm outlining parts of the title and erasing any pencil lines. After that, let's cut that piece out and stick it on a new paper. Then just add a few details. Over here I am drawing a few images related to mathematics to fill up the page, as this is my front page. After coloring in the images, let's go over them with a really thin fineliner. This part of the video I am going to draw a compass, protractor, a calculator, and a ruler. And to finish off I am going to draw some purple blobs to really give it some depth. And that's it, a personalized front page in under 2 minutes.